Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Ebis Hernandez, and today we're in Iceland. It's day 2 of our adventure in the southeast part of the country. I've been running around with troll expeditions, and they've been showing me a great time. On the first day, we went hiking on a glacier and walking through some ice caves to get a perfect pic that was inspired by Sorella Amor. Tomorrow, I'm gonna link up with my boy Dave, the guide, and we're gonna go to the Reykjavik Peninsula, and he's gonna help me get the photo that Arnar Christian inspired, and I'm excited for that. For today, we're gonna keep driving west to Reykjavik, and we're just gonna make a bunch of stops along the way and check out all the beauty that Iceland has to offer. I mean, like, look at this view I woke up to. It's absolutely beautiful. I snapped a couple shots here before we went on our first stop. I know I'm not gonna pronounce this right, but we just got to Jökulsárlón, known as the Glacier Lagoon.
I'm about to climb up this hill right here so I can get a good view of it. Take some shots from up there. Let me know what you guys think. I'm literally out here in my slides because my waterproof boots weren't waterproof enough for the glacier. You know, I don't know. You need guys in the store that know what the fuck they're talking about, or you need to stop taking advantage of novice clients. Whatever though. Got a beautiful day today, and I'm able to walk out here with my slides. So I ain't going, bitch.
When I got back to the city, they gave me back my money with no problem. It was a good boot for regular hike, but not for a glacier hike.
Just got some cool shots from the top of the hill over here, overlooking the lagoon. Such a beautiful sight. It's crazy how this is all, just how nature works. The crazy part is though is that this whole thing is like disappearing slowly because of climate change. It used to stretch as far as this bridge I'm gonna show you, all the way to the mountain. And the glacier is disappearing every year. And when, you know, we're in Manhattan and we can't live there no more because the water overran us, it was right in front of us the whole time. Anyhow,
I got a couple more photos at the bottom. I picked up this huge block of ice. I'm gonna start my first Piragua cart with it. That's shaved ice if you don't know.
So we just left the Blue Lagoon and we arrived shortly after to Diamond Beach. A bunch of ice on the beach. I'm walking up on it now. It looks beautiful. Still in my slides though, so this is crazy.
After hiking a glacier together and staying up late looking for the northern lights, we all got cool as a group and started enjoying these moments together as a whole. It's pretty awesome. And look at this ice. The shape and the texture is just phenomenal. I'm gonna have to print one of these for the crib. Matter of fact, I'm gonna add these on my Patreon so you could download a high-res version and print one for yourself if you like. Look for the link in the description.
All right, so we got a random stop along the way. It is a monument to a fallen bridge that was destroyed by a volcano. Actually, the results of a volcano. The volcano erupted, made a bunch of glaciers move, and then the glaciers, no, I'm sorry, not glaciers, icebergs, just destroyed the bridge like it didn't exist. God, look at all this just space. It's amazing. Imagine having to like ride a horse on this shit to like deliver a message, or like just hike it without a horse and then climb over the mountains into a cave to deliver a ring to save the planet. Frodo, you that dude, man.
By this point, we were here a little too long, and they were waiting for us on the bus. That's my boy Dragon right there.
We coming, Rocky, we coming.
That's a volcano.
And by that time...
Yeah, man. About to go check out another site. Got a little hike to get to it.
I came across this really cool rock that looked like a dragon to me, and come to find out Justin Bieber did a music video there to a song called I'll Show You.
Whew. It's a beautiful canyon we're about to see, guys. Oh, look at that already, look. God, it looked beautiful from the viewpoint I was at, and then the shots that I was looking at in the drone. I was like, oh shit. But yeah, man, you guys, I hope you're enjoying this trip with me. Just got the black sand beach. It was just like a bunch of fog everywhere. It just kind of like just disappeared. I didn't get to videotape it. It looked really eerie. But I'm starving, so there's a restaurant over here, so I'm actually gonna grab a bite. So I didn't vlog us eating. I was just having a good convo with my kid, and we was just staying in the moment. Oh shit, is this place? Hey. I know, but I had to eat. So this is the black sand beach, guys. This beach is all lava rock, and it's literally ice and lava rock. I didn't know that this was the location of like this epic troll cave, and I didn't get to spend as much time as I wanted at all taking the photos here. That's my fault. I took my time eating, and I should have known that that's where I was going. But hey, it's an excuse to go back. Just got to another waterfall. So, I'm a pump, and fuck it. I don't care, I'm not doing it for the gram. That spot right there is perfect for a photo, but I see too many people bust their ass already. I didn't film them though. Stay blessed. Oh, she's wilder. Oh, she's smarter than all of us. I don't know. Man, she out here. She it out here. She really doing it. Oh, no, I'm about to do it how she did it. Oh, damn, do that. Oh, I'm doing it how she did it. Oh, I got you. I just got taught. All right. All right, fuck it.
Yeah, I wasn't trying that with my slides on, so I threw my boots back on for this.
Yes, hey. I made it, baby. I made it over there with no problem, and on the climbing back, I almost fell, and Charlie caught me.
Yeah, easy. Running all the way back from behind the waterfall.
He literally had my back.
That was actually the best timing. Just as slow.
Did you go behind it?
Yeah, I went behind it. Went all the way.
How was it?
It's not a long walk. Yeah. It's pretty good.
I don't know, man. Fucking, what's his name?
Icy as fuck though.
Rocky's like,
yeah, it's real icy.
if you care for your life, do not go behind the waterfall.
Yeah, it was dangerous. Very icy.
And before we head out of the waterfall, I'm gonna get some glacier water like my boys just did. And yeah, I'm about to fill up right now. You know, this is the real smart water because it came from the glacier. All right, let's check this out. That's crazy that you can do this. Like, we would never try this in New York. Ever. Like, imagine, you know, I don't even know what park to even try this in. Like, I'm gonna give it a try. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. I'm about to start a whole business. Iceland water. Fuck Fiji water. Only thing I get worried about is, like, we find out because of climate change, the permafrost started melting and the glacier released some insane virus that's been dormant for a million years, and we just drank it. Okay, I'm just joking. Oh, that man.
This country is absolutely amazing. It's just beauty upon beauty. Every stop is just like, wow. It feels like a movie set every time I get to a new location. I like to thank Sorella Moore and Arnaud Christian for inspiring this trip. On this journey to experience your perfect pics, I've been able to create my own amazing moments, and I'm loving every second of it. And make sure you watch the third video where I head over to snorkel between the continents in glacier water. I'm gonna turn up in Reykjavik. The party scene is crazy, and I'm linking up with my boy Dave the Guide to go take this perfect pic that Arnaud Christian inspired, man. Remember, think big, live large.
I hope you enjoyed running around Iceland with me. If you liked the video, like it, share it with your friends, leave a comment, send me some pictures, let me know where you want me to go next. And remember, think big, live large. Peace.